All right, gang, welcome to week 3 of 4 weeks already. You guys are just nailing it on these discussion boards. Really good work. Thank you for all your efforts. So we're 50% of the way done, and we're heading into week 3. And I wanted to give you a little bit more insight on how to complete discussion boards 8, 9, and 10. So let me top line these for you one at a time. For discussion board 8, we're talking about the place component of the 4 Ps, product, price, place, promotion. And the place piece, so what you want to do here is make sure you watch my Instructor lecture on chapter 8, where I talk about place. I would definitely watch that first, and that'll probably give you most of what you need to answer the discussion board 8 questions. There's a short video tied to the company Pepsi and their channels of distribution. And basically, we learn about direct versus indirect channels of distribution, and Pepsi is indirect. So watch my Instructor lecture for chapter 8. That should give you most of what you need to complete this discussion board. Not too many questions on this one. For discussion board 9 is still talking about place, but it's specifically chapter 9. That chapter is about retail concepts, the different types of retail concepts. So you can look at my Instructor lecture, but make sure you also look at the PowerPoint for this chapter, because this gives you real specific examples of what's a convenience store versus a specialty store versus a category killer, and all the different types of retail concepts. So the PowerPoint will definitely help you for discussion board 9, along with my lecture. And then for discussion board 10, here we kind of veer off from our standard structure, and now we're getting into the advertising and promotions segment, the marketing segment of these 2 pieces. And we're looking at some outside reading, specifically from Gary Vaynerchuk. He wrote the book Jab, 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 Right Hook, which is all about social media strategy, how to use the different social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever it is, how to use these different social media platforms in the right way. And each one is distinct. So the 2 concepts you want to get aware of for this discussion board is this concept of native versus non-native content. And I believe the Instructor lecture will also help you here. And how to use each type of social media network. So make sure you check that Instructor lecture. You'll have some outside reading and some case studies to look at. It's not too long on the questions, but you're looking at a short article. It's actually a scan of part of Gary Vaynerchuk's book on social media strategy, which should be of interest to you guys. It's more current on what's happening in marketing, and I think you'll enjoy it. Any questions, send me an email. After this week, you're 75% of the way done. Okay, thanks for all your work so far. I'll be grading your discussion boards for round 2 this week.